So product development is an essential part of any startup. You have to develop the product. Even if the product is a service, it has to be developed, practiced, packaged so you can repeatedly sell it. Good news is that you have very many more options than you ever had before for product development. Talent is available worldwide, and now there are resources which allow you to tap into that talent worldwide. Websites like elance.com, odesk.com, guru.com all allow you to hire talented people worldwide and then manage all the contract between you and them and transfer of intellectual property and payments. There are sites which do contests. 99designs.com is an Australian site which is good for design contests, logos, websites, t-shirt design, book cover design. So this has made it very easy to do product development. And the sites I mentioned earlier like Odesk and Guru allow you to hire software experts and hardware experts, product designers anywhere in the world. So your ability to tap into talent worldwide and do compelling product has never been more compelling than it is right now. But you do need to hire somebody who is good at operations or project management, or if your product is very technical, a deep technical expert, to pull all pieces of the product together. My main advice is do not start product development unless you have validated the product idea with customers. The order you need to start about thinking about your business is come up with the idea, validate the need of your solution with several customers. At least a dozen conversations with actual potential customers is necessary. Preferably market survey and research with several hundred potential customers before you get started. But once you have clarity on what the product is and you have validated the assumption, you have done some business model, you have understood how will you position this product if you had it, only then you should start with product development. So product development is not something you start with. Product development is something you get to after several weeks, if not months, of due diligence and work. But once you get there, I urge you to tap into the new resources worldwide and have somebody who has experience with product development to help you put together a project plan. And you have to run it very tight because every dollar counts. Your resources are limited, so you don't have chance to not have done your homework and not be crisp about it. But you will iterate. My last advice on product development is do not wait till the product is complete to put it out there. If you have done your homework right and you know who your initial customers are, they're not expecting perfection. They're expecting that you solve their problem. So 0.9 version of the product is good enough to get out. Because as soon as you put the product out in the hands of a few initial customers, they will find multiple things which needs to be changed, adjusted, or altered. So you want to engage with those customers as soon as possible, but not before the product has delivered some value. It doesn't have to be perfect. It has to deliver at least one, it has to do one thing well. So once you start getting customer feedback, this is when you start polishing the product. And your product will go through many iterations and polish before it becomes applicable to the broad market. So key is get to Rev 0.9, get out to few loyal customers and start iterating. I hope that helps.